Ka BJP Mikhalaya kalapan pau ba ka jingkhih jong ka cockroach janta party ka day tanghai ki rensan social media bat kanam don kata ka jinglong ban shimkhia ha ka politik habakren halor kani ka kanhun ka bomdon nongialam unong ai ktin jong ka BJP uba Maria Hom Kharkrang loong ba kani ka seng Ninam yoi bakan long kata ka seng sain pyrthei ka baklan. Ula berab da ka baong batang ba kibriu kibut ha ki social media. Kamut bakani ka kanhun kan long kata ka kanhun ka bala banyakun election. Uba Kharkrang ula ong ba ka CJP ka longkum ka jingkhih phaloh bat ka bamdon kata ka ban lumlang man penklan kum ka seng sain pyrthei.
See, with the advent of social media, anything can happen. And I don't think so. A political party can, in fact, it's nameless. It is. We really don't know who are the people of this so-called new party, so to say. It indicates that, of course, because it indicates a lot of people are into social media and all. But that does not indicate that because some of them have subscribed or gone to this page doesn't mean that these people will be to the extent that they will contest elections and actually be a force to be reckoned with. And it's a matter. I think so. We just have to wait and see how it turns out in the in future. But I really don't see anything much from this. There's some knee-jerk reaction or knee-jerk because of some statement that has been made. And some reaction has come in, and because of this, and so I don't see much in this new political party again. I don't see much in it.
Do you see this movement?
No. I don't think so. I totally disagree with that. When you look, any government has been trying to connect with the young people, and I don't see anything disgruntled that the youths have against any political party. Without mentioning any names, but our youths have been actively involved in politics. So where's the question that they have been sidelined or they have not been included into the decision-making process? And we see that a lot of young people have contested elections and also have won. So I don't think so that youths have been sidelined or not been included in the decision-making process of any government.
Do you foresee? But
I think so. India is too big for that. Okay, if we are trying to compare us with some other neighboring countries, not. I think so. India is too big for these kind of things, and ultimately, people will want to see a political party which is well established, a political party which has got its own ideology, a political party which it's not it's growing not because of only one agenda, one issue. So I don't see any threat to any of the political parties.
What will be the message of Bengali BJP would like to?
See, these are platforms which should not be taken seriously. The government does open its doors to young people to come and express themselves. We are a democratic country, and we have seen, irrespective of which government, we have seen that if there's anything that they don't agree upon, they do come out and demonstrate. Not so, avenues have been open for people to vent out their feelings and whatever they feel against the government. So make use of these physical. These are what that physical thing that is present and available to them. And going through social media and creating these kind of things, that's wrong. Because a lot of because this is something uncontrollable, and you really don't know what people can say in social media. So I think so. Our youngsters, our youths, they are educated enough to understand and to make a right decision on these things. A country cannot be run on social media, I should say.